How to pay with PayPal on Amazon. Hello and welcome to this video on how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. While Amazon doesn't directly accept PayPal as a payment option, there are a few ways to get around in this. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to purchase Amazon gift cards using your PayPal account, which you can then use to shop on Amazon. First thing you need to do is to log into your Amazon account, and then for example, we will be buying this product and you just have to click buy now. And as you can see on the checkout, we don't have PayPal in the options. So what are we going to do is we need to enter a gift card voucher or promotional code. So for us to able to get a gift card, we need to go to this site, egifter.com. Gift cards are a great way to show someone you care, and eGifter offers this kind of gift cards, and they can also be a practical and convenient way to make purchases. For example, if you have a friend who is difficult to shop for, you can give them a gift card to their favorite store or restaurant. In this way, they can choose their own gift and you can be sure that they will get something they love. Also, gift cards can also be used as a budgeting tool to control your spending. For example, if you have a budget for eating out, you can buy a gift card to your favorite restaurant and use it to pay for your meals. And this way, you can track your spending easily and make sure that you are staying within your budget. And lastly, gift cards can also be used to support your favorite local businesses. If you have a favorite coffee shop or bookstore, you can buy a gift card to support them. This is a great way to show your appreciation for their business and help them to continue to thrive. And no matter how you choose to use them, gift cards are a great way to make purchases and someone to show that you really care. And as you can see, there are a lot of shops and restaurants that you can buy gift cards for. You want a health, spa, and beauty, you can also use this one. You just have to search in the dashboard. And then, since we're going to focus on Amazon, we're going to search for Amazon. So after searching for Amazon, it will pop up in your account. But in my case, I don't know why Amazon is not showing up in my account. For let's say, for example, this is Amazon and you have an option to send it to a friend. And now that you're on checkout, since we're going to use PayPal, as you can see, we can now pay through PayPal, and then you need to put your mobile phone number that is linked to your PayPal account, and then it will be sending a code, and then you can now continue to purchase this gift card. I will show you another site where you can buy gift cards, and for this example, I will be using g2a.com. Actually, there are a lot of gift card sites that you can buy from, but I will take this as an example. And now we're going to search for Amazon. And now you can see there are a lot of Amazon gift cards that are offered in here, and sometimes they offer a discount. So choose whatever your needs and then just click this one, then add to cart. And in here, as you can see, we can also pay through PayPal, and then check new price and then continue to payment. And in here, you can actually click PayPal and then pay with PayPal, one click, and you will also be directed to your PayPal account, and then you can continue the purchase in there. And then after purchasing a gift card, it will be directed to your email, the codes, and then you can actually copy that code. This is just an example gift cards, and then you're going to go to Amazon and then enter the gift card and then click apply. And that's it. That is how easy to use PayPal to Amazon. And I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching this video on how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. See you next time.